Starfleet Academy Scisec Brief Part 2 of 10.
In 2267, the sixth planet orbiting the star Ceti Alpha exploded. A neighbouring planet and its inhabitants suffered the immediate destructive effects. However, this event went undocumented by Starfleet for 15 years. Starfleet's knowledge of this event is primarily derived from a scientific mission to the region. During a search for a scientific testing ground, Starfleet officers incorrectly identified Ceti Alpha 5 as Ceti Alpha 6, which no longer existed. Unbeknownst to them, they were now standing on a planet that had very recently undergone dramatic changes. The most useful descriptions of what happened may be those of the surviving inhabitants of Ceti Alpha 5. Their experiences in exile provide an event timeline and the only known first-hand accounts of the explosion and its immediate aftermath. Following are the events of the explosion as they unfolded through the eyes of the planet's most infamous remaining resident.
Ceti Alpha 6 exploded 6 months after we were left here. The shock shifted the orbit of this planet and everything was laid waste.
Insufficient information limits our ability to understand all the contributing factors that led to the destruction of Ceti Alpha 6. These limitations can only cause us to theorize on a few plausible scenarios. The following diagrams explore a few of these scenarios in more detail. A previously unknown source of instability may have torn Ceti Alpha 6 apart, causing a shockwave that jolted Ceti Alpha 5 from its orbit and eliminated life from the surface of the planet. In this case, the damage that Khan witnessed might have been the result of either the shockwave or the orbital shift, or both. Under a second scenario, a transitory celestial body that went unseen on Ceti Alpha 5, such as an asteroid or black hole, may have caused this event. And in a third scenario, the gravitational effect of Ceti Alpha 5 and Ceti Alpha 6 on each other's orbits could have caused an instability which led to the destruction of one planet and widespread devastation on the other. While much is still left to speculate, Ceti Alpha 5 was transformed from a Class M planet into a planet virtually incapable of sustaining life. A fact that would set in motion a chain of events that have come to shape the course of history.